Good morning, you guys. I hope you're well. Um, Welcome to the next day of class with me. And I'm hoping by the next time we have class, so either Thursday or Friday this week, you guys, we will be able to connect via Zoom. And so today's Tuesday, and I'll be sending out Zoom calls. So if you have me today, or Zoom invites, if you have me today, uh, you should see that show up in your inbox sometime today. And if you have me tomorrow on Wednesday, you should have already had the Zoom call in your inbox. And so we will do it during regular class period. We won't do it the whole time. We won't always do it right at the start. I'll have a time in there for you, so check the time, but it will fall in during the time of our regular class period. And so I'm just excited to have class via Zoom or more in person so we can communicate and talk. I miss you guys like crazy. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that as well. And I believe a lot of you have done that for your other classes. So you should have it downloaded. I can send instructions as well. What else? Oh, today we're going to be finishing the Louie Giglio video, How Great Is Our God? And there'll be a quiz at the end. I hope you guys enjoy it. Remember, open your quiz up, look at the questions before you start the video. You're going to start it at 17:34 and go to the end. But just the quiz is not supposed to be hard. It's just supposed to be, hey, are you paying attention? Because God has goodness for you in that video. And so it just keeps your flesh from, wandering and thinking about other things. It keeps you a little more focused. So that's why we're doing it. But it shouldn't be hard if you pay attention. You'll do great. And then there's a question at the end that says, is there someone you can share with? And who would that be? And please, please, please send that link to someone today, you guys. It's so important. Not a fifth or sixth grader, because they obviously have the link, but someone else that needs to hear about Jesus, or needs to go deeper in their faith with Jesus. Remember, we are called to make disciples in the nations. We're called to teach people about Jesus. And so what better way to do it than send out little things that we've enjoyed or that God has touched our lives with. And so that's how you do it. You learn something and you pass it along to other people about Jesus. So anyway, please, please, please do that. And I'm looking forward to Zooming with you guys either Thursday or Friday. I love you guys. I miss you guys. And I cannot wait to see you guys via Zoom. Okay? Blessings, blessings. Bye, you guys.